everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 781 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out the Benefit Brow Contour Pro 4-in-1 contour pencil. So I got this in my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box and I got it in the shade Blonde Light. And I am so excited because this is a product that I've been wanting to try ever since I saw it come out. And I would say it's a relatively new product. And so it does have directions on the back, which I should follow. But before I do that, I kind of want to swatch it so I get an idea of what the colors are. But so you press it down, the color that you want, and then you twist it to push up the product, hopefully. Okay, there we go. Took a little while for the product to start moving. But okay, so I'm first doing definer definition. That's a lot lighter than I expected for the edge shade. Then we've got the deeper shade, which I'll use in the outer, like the ends of the brow, and that's a good darker shade. Okay, and then the lighter shade. Ooh, perfect. Very impressed by these shades. And then it even comes with a highlight shade. Oh, the highlight shade does not have any shimmer to it. I guess I just expect a highlight shade to have some shimmer, but it's just a light shade. So here are the swatches. Kind of hard to tell, but you'll see it when I apply it to my brows. You know, the one thing that would make this perfect would be if it had a spoolie on it. But luckily I did get a brow brush in my Mayeli set, which this set has really been coming in handy this month. I got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, which I will have all of my unboxings linked down below because I have my Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing that I did with my Boxy Luxe box to compare the two $50 boxes. And then I also have a video where I unboxed my Glam Bag Plus versus my regular Glam Bag. So both of those videos will be linked down below. But so I did get this brow brush, which I have long brow hairs that I need to brush in place. All right, there we go. So the first step is to take the lighter shade and I'm going to shape the front of my brows with this. So I'm going to use small hair-like strokes to fill in these sparse areas. I especially focus in the front of my brows, filling those in. Seems to be doing a really good job. Easy to work with. It's a great color. Okay, so now I have the front of my brows filled in. I'm going to quickly and easily just switch to the darker shade to fill in the second half and the tail part of my brow. And it's good that these shades work perfectly together where it's not like an obvious switch. It's more like you want it to be a natural ombre effect transition, not just like a split between two colors. Like I don't usually use two colors when I fill in my brows. So this is really kind of amping up my brow routine. But that right there alone, I love how that looks. That was so quick and easy, but look at that difference already. Like this is such a fine pencil, like very small brush-like strokes that I don't even really feel like I need to blend it in with a spoolie, but I will just kind of brush through it just in case to blend out the product a little bit more, make sure all the brow hairs are in the direction I want. I love that. It looks like this could be my natural brow. It doesn't look like there's pencil in my brow. So the next step is to define and clean the edges. So I'm going in with my definer shade, and I'm just going to kind of outline. Honestly, I don't really love that because it looks too yellow. Like it looks like a noticeable yellow line. I kind of thought that the definer shade was going to be darker and like a brown, but no, I don't really like that step. So I'm gonna move on to highlight. And right below the brow, I'm adding some highlight. And then it says to press and blend the highlight with your finger, which the highlight's fine. I mean, it does kind of make a difference. You can see it's lighter, kind of brings the brow bone forward a little bit for a more enhanced brow look compared to this brow bone. But I definitely prefer a glowy, kind of shimmery brow highlight that catches the light, and I feel like it just gives more glow and beauty and radiance to the face. So, not super crazy about this highlight shade. I feel like it doesn't really do much. So 2 of the shades I really like. I really like the brow pencil part. The other 2, the light definer shade and highlighter shade, I don't love those. I'm like, maybe I could use them as like nude eyeliners or something. I wonder if they're safe for the waterline because I am on the search for a nude eyeliner. I may have even forgotten to mention that this retails for $34, which I think is pretty expensive, especially if I'm only going to be using 2 of the shades. But the 2 shades that I am using, I really, really like. So let me go ahead and fill in the other brow. So starting off with the lighter shade, doing these small little hair-like strokes to fill in the first half of the brow. And I love just how quick and easy it is to just switch over to the other color. Because if I had to pick up a completely different pencil to do the second half, I probably wouldn't really do the ombre effect that often. Because I like just a quick and easy brow, but this really makes that possible. But now that I'm seeing what the ombre looks like, I love it, and I really want to keep doing an ombre brow. It just looks so natural and enhancing. And when I can do it that easily, I'm really happy with it. Like, look at these brows. I love filling in my brows. I love having my brows looking the perfect shape and fullness. So I'm really, really happy with the finished result. But I truly like it with just those 2 brow products. This brow without the highlighter or the definer, I definitely prefer the look of. And it looks more natural that way, and I feel like natural looking brows are becoming more of the trend. So this, it has a little bit of waxiness to kind of hold the brow hairs in place, but I personally will need to apply a gel on top of this to keep my brow hairs in place because they really do get unruly so easily. But so as far as brow pencils go, I really like this. I am definitely going to use this as my daily brow pencil. So if you've tried this, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. And especially let me know what you think of the definer and highlighter shades, if you have found them useful or if you're just skipping those steps like I am. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.